In Pakistan, there is currently a festive atmosphere, and it feels like the desert has come alive. The reason for this joy is undoubtedly the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, who, according to the wishes of 76-year-old Pakistanis, has completely erased India's name from the world map. This achievement is the result of countless sacrifices and efforts by the people of India who love their country and the patriotic politicians there who have given their lives for the nation's cause. Without going into too much detail, we just want to highlight that the task that the people of Pakistan and those who love Pakistan could not accomplish in 76 years, Modi and his political party, the BJP, did it for their own benefit in the lead-up to the successful 2024 elections in India. They changed India's name, even though, according to Indian law, India is Bharat. The reason for changing this name was to eliminate the alliance that was created by the opposition parties in India under the name of India, and to distance the people of India and those residing in India from that alliance, which had been formed for the love of the country. Undoubtedly, India, despite poverty, has made significant progress in various sectors due to the love of the Indian people for their country and the politicians who have sacrificed their lives for the nation's cause. Their blood has etched India's name on the world map over 76 years of effort. If we start discussing the details, it will be a lengthy conversation. We just want to emphasize that the change in the name, driven by self-serving politicians, has left India's identity in jeopardy. There are nearly 193 countries in the world with almost 10,000 cities and a population of over 8 billion people, along with countless companies and businesses. India's name change, which took 76 years to achieve, will undoubtedly come at a cost. The question is how this change can be fully realized without incurring significant economic losses. If we consider India alone, the number of its people, which ranks second in the world, is approximately 1.5 billion. How long will it take to change the documents associated with India's name, and how much money will be spent on this endeavor? Similarly, how can the name change be possible for entities connected with India worldwide? Ultimately, India's politicians, driven by their self-interest, have played politics with the change of name. After this change, the word, India, now seems to be associated exclusively with people of the Hindu faith. But can India, without ties to other nations and without the support and cooperation of foreign countries, thrive as a self-sufficient nation? Perhaps not. I am, of course, a Pakistani myself, and as a Pakistani, I am delighted. However, before being Pakistani, I am a human being, and I have concerns and distress over this change. The reason for my distress is that due to this change, many families will face economic crises and hunger will increase. In my view, the bond between human beings is stronger than religious affiliations. Unfortunately, our rulers, who are also part of Pakistan, have sacrificed the nation's interests for their own gain. They spend their lives enjoying the people's money, while a common man cannot afford to send their child to a government school for proper education. Their children study in the best foreign institutions, and the poor can barely manage 2 meals a day. The poor can't afford clothes to wear, while the children of the elite are decked out in the most luxurious brands. The poor have no homes to live in, and the decorations in their places are made from the remnants of the rich's lavish rooms. It's a shame that rulers, including those in Pakistan, give their lives for their own benefit, living off the people's money. A common man cannot buy a house with the wages he earns, but the rich can buy a house from the money spent on a bathroom. So, in summary, while there is celebration in Pakistan over the change of India's name, there are also concerns and distress about the consequences of this change on the common people and the broader implications for international relations.